In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how we can add incredible 3D animations to your website without writing a single line of code. All of this is possible using the power of Framer's built-in 3D effects. Whether you are a designer, marketer, or simply a web enthusiast, this knowledge can significantly improve the overall aesthetics of your websites and enhance your user experience. To get started, the first thing you need to do is select any element on your website that you'd like to add an animation to using the Framer tool. It is essential to pick an element that aligns with your animation idea. For this tutorial, let's assume we have selected an image that we'd like to animate. Once you have selected your desired element, direct your attention to the right panel of the Framer interface. Here, you will notice several sections. You need to find the Effects section. This section is the heart of where all your 3D animations and effects will be applied. In the Effects section, now you need to choose what type of animation you would like to apply to your selected element. A popular type of effect to apply is called the scroll transform. This effect can have an impressive visual impact, allowing you to create dynamic animations synchronized with the scroll movement on your web page. You will need to set the from and to states for the scroll transform, which includes defining the 3D rotations. For some of you, having animations send only when the web page scrolls might not be enough. Framer understands this and offers another effect. Appear. Using the appear effect, an animation would occur every time the page loads, giving a fresh and energetic feel for your web page visitor each time they visit, or even refresh your web page. Now that we have covered how to add the animations, let's head into a very important piece of the puzzle: customizing your properties. You want your 3D animations to really stand out and align perfectly with the style and feel of your website. Customizing the properties of these animations is key to achieving this. In the customization options, you will explore adjustments like rotation, which controls the angular movement of your animation, opacity, controlling the visibility of your element, and scale, allowing you to adjust the perceived size and dimension of your animated object. Certainly, you want to manage how long the animation takes. The timing option lets you control this aspect. Remember, the beauty of 3D animations lies in the subtlety of the effect. A well-executed animation feels natural to the user and enhances their experience, while an over-exaggerated or poorly timed animation might seem distracting. So, ensure to balance your customization in a way that achieves the maximum aesthetic output. By following these steps and playing around with different elements, effects, and properties in Framer, you can create incredibly captivating 3D animations for your website without any coding.